In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Typeform for email marketing. We'll start inside Typeform by either creating a brand new form or opening one you already have. The goal here is to build a form that collects useful information from your audience in a clean, simple way. Add the questions you need based on what you want to learn from people, keeping the experience easy to complete so you can get better response rates. Next, add an email question to the form. This is the key field that allows you to send contacts into your email marketing system. If collecting an email address is essential for your workflow, make sure this question is marked as required so every submission includes it. After that, add an email consent question. This is especially important if you plan to send marketing emails. You can use a legal question or a simple yes/no question, depending on your setup. The important part is to write clear consent language so respondents understand exactly what they're signing up for and what kind of messages they'll receive. Once your form is ready, publish it, or publish your edits if you're updating an existing form. Before sharing it, test the form yourself. This helps you catch any confusing wording, missing required fields, or consent issues before your audience sees it. Now go to your Form's Connect tab in Typeform. This is where you can link your form to an email marketing platform. Search for the platform you use, such as MailChimp, HubSpot, Klaviyo, or ActiveCampaign. As an example, let's use MailChimp. Search for MailChimp, click Connect, and authenticate your account. Then choose the audience where you want new Typeform contacts to be added. The next part is mapping your fields. Select the email field from Typeform and match it to the email field in MailChimp. If your form also collects names or other details, map those fields as well so your contact data stays organized and usable. You can also add tags or segments based on form responses. For example, if someone selects a specific interest, you can tag them accordingly. This is very useful because it allows you to send more relevant campaigns later instead of emailing everyone the same message. When that's done, save and activate the integration. Submit a test response through your Typeform, then check your email platform to make sure the contact appears correctly. From there, create an automated email campaign in your email marketing platform, such as a welcome email, a helpful follow-up resource, and then an offer. After that, test the complete workflow using a test email to confirm the contact is added, the correct tag or segment is applied, and the right automation starts. Once everything is working properly, share your Typeform through your website, social media, ads, or email campaigns. Typeform can also be launched from some email marketing platforms, making it even easier to bring new subscribers into your system.